Alright, let's take a quick look at this blue car. It is an engine donor for the 2000 S car that I picked up in Texas a couple months back. Consistently now. Had to replace the fuel sending unit, fuel pump. Had to splice all the wires there for the immobilizer box. This car's interior was totally trashed and had obviously been soaked with water at one point from the back window being torn out. Anyways, let's start it and hear it run. Looks good. Give it a little rev. Running pretty well now. Just gonna let it warm up.